Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to change the voice on Waze in 2026. If you want to use a different voice or language for your navigation directions, here's how to change it. First, open the Waze app on your phone. From the main map, tap the menu icon, then select Settings. Next, tap Voice and Sound. Under Voice Directions, tap Voice and available voices and languages supported by your version of Waze. Choose the voice you want to use. Some voices may have different accents, languages, or special options. After selecting your preferred voice, go back to the map. Start a route and listen for the navigation instructions to make sure your new voice is working correctly. If you can't hear the directions, check the Waze sound is enabled and increase your phone's volume. And that's how to change the voice on Waze. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more Waze tutorials.